Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Keep Learning. Today we are going to learn the topic Connect to a web server. We will use the Cisco Packet Tracer software to perform this experiment. So let us keep learning the new topic. First of all, we will divide this into the two parts. Part 1, verify connectivity to the web server. Part 2, connect to the web server via the web client. You will get all practical resources from the given description. You will get a lab scenario file for the practice purpose. You will get a lab manual and you will get the lab manual with all answer. Let us understand the lab scenario. Here in the diagram you can see there is one computer PC0 with the IP address, that is 192.168.1.100. Now that computer is connected to the internet, and on the other side of internet there is web server. So web server is having the website of learnip.com and the IP address of 172.33.100.50. So now we will perform our both tasks and complete this laboratory. Let us start the lab practical. Here, as per the description, you will get these three files which is required to perform the experiment. Here two Word file is there and one Cisco packet practice file is there. So these two files are lab manual and answer with the lab manual, and the third file which is a Cisco packet tracer practice file. So we are going to open it. Just double click on it. Cisco Packet Tracer software must be installed in your computer. Now, so here you can see there is a two window. So first, this window PT activity, which will give you all detailed guideline to perform the lab experiment, and the other is providing the lab scenario platform. So let us start the practical. First, you will use the user profile. So let us add the user profile. Give your name over here. You can write your name, write down the email ID, then write down the additional info. You can write down the time and you can write down the date. That's it. Give OK. Now the better practice is by make the screen half by this and then keep this thing as half. So now you can perform the experiment very easily. So here we will do the two tasks. First of all, I will verify the connectivity and then I will verify the service of web client. So I am a PC0, there is a web server. So I will check the connectivity by using the ping command. So yes, ping is a command through which you can check the connectivity. So here in the computer, I will double click and I will get one window where I will go to the desktop. In desktop, I will find many options. So to use the ping command, I will go to the command prompt. Here in command prompt, I will write down the ping and then you need to give the IP address. To check the connectivity, you must have the IP address. So write down the command ping and the IP address of the server, which is 172.33.100.50. So here you can see my computer is trying to check the connectivity. So first packet getting timeout, but for the next three packet I am getting the reply. That means I am connected to the web server. You can find more detail over here. Total packets sent 4, out of them 3 received and 1 lost. You can do ping again. So you will get a proper reply. Here this timeout can be because of the initial process or because of the ARP. So it happens when you connect first time with the server. don't worry about that. So now the other thing, just close this service of command prompt. Now again come back to the desktop and you will find so many other services. Here we have already completed this 3ABC section. Now in D, you just read the instruction, close the command prompt window only. So we have done that. We are not going to close the entire window. We will just close the command prompt. Now in the second part, I will check the same thing, that means the connectivity using the web server. In a computer, in a client side, they are providing the web server, or you can say the web client services through which you can check the connectivity. So this web browser is a web client service. So I will go to the web browser. So as I double click on the web browser, I will get this kind of window. Here I need to give the URL, or I can say I need to add the IP address. So let me write the IP address 172.33.100.50. Then I will click on a go. So here I am successfully connected to the website. You can see the website says welcome to the IP Learn website. You were able to reach this website because you had the IP address of the web server. The connecting PC also had a web client running on the device. So this is the web client service. So we have successfully completed these two part. So what we have learned? We have learned the command through which we can check the connectivity. That command is a ping and then IP address of the device. The second thing, we are aware about the web client services through which we can use the web service application. Now here we have a good facility that we can check the result, that we have performed the experiment properly or not. So if I go to the check result, you can see congratulations, then your name. So you have completed the activity. Here you will find the two more options, that is the assessment item and then connecting test. So when you complete your activity, you will find the assessment answer. So there is a no score, then means there is a no point. So it will show nothing. Fine. In other practical, you will find your assessment mark. You will find the total score. So let us close it. You can reset the activity for the practice purpose. So this is how you can perform and practice the lab exercise. Thank you. I hope you like the video. If you have any doubt or question, then write down in the comment. We will meet in the next video. Bye bye. Thank you.